Bearded Mechanic here, doing a simple fender LED light switch out with the brand new one over there. Problem you usually always run into here is when taking this off, this just cuts through the inside plastic in here, so you can't take the bolts off that are up inside. Right there. That's what you do. So I'm going to take some vice grips. Alright, I'm going to lift this up. Make sure I get the vice grips to hold around this little wash right here that's already on the bolt. This way we'll be able to take these off and then get the new one on. Alright, got that on. Oh, it's going underneath. Attached underneath. Make sure to hold this. Boom. There you go. We're gonna get this one. Gonna rewire it down, wire it down, back side of the hood. Make sure, run the wire through. And you can't forget about the bracket here. Run the wire through the bracket, then hand tight this on up here afterwards, and I'll show you how to run the wire down inside to get back out of this hole. Alright, this is what I do. First I use the headband to start off, get something heavy like a ratchet. Because sometimes when you try to shove these wires down, nests can get built up in there depending on your park or debris, and you can't push it out, and you don't have nothing long enough to get through. So, right through here, down, boom, comes out. And alright, make sure nothing snug. Come down. I'm going to tie this off with a twisty tie right here. Make sure you twisty tie out right here, and then connect it to your two connections, and make sure you leave slack so you're not rubbing right here. You need slack because that will definitely eat through within months. Hook it all up, twisty tie all your lines, make sure you leave some slack so there's no rubbing. All done.